30 days of social media content. Captions, hashtags, images. All done. It took 15 minutes. I'm going to show you the exact workflow. Step by step. Here's what kills small businesses on social media. Not the posting. The planning. You sit down Monday morning thinking I should post something. 20 minutes later, you still haven't picked a topic. By Wednesday, you've gone silent. By the end of the month, your page looks abandoned. The solution every social media manager will tell you is batch creation. Plan the whole month at once. Write all your captions in one sitting. Schedule everything ahead of time. Great advice. But it used to take an entire day to do that. 6 to 8 hours of brainstorming, writing, and designing. With AI, that same workflow takes about 15 minutes. I'm going to prove it. We'll build a full 30-day content plan for a fictional business, a coffee shop called Morning Ritual in Austin, Texas. By the end, we'll have a calendar, 30 captions, hashtag sets, and image concepts, all scheduled in Buffer. Step 1. The content calendar. I'm opening ChatGPT and using this prompt. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for a local coffee shop in Austin, Texas. Include Instagram and Facebook posts. Mix these post types, product highlights, behind the scenes, customer stories, educational, promotional, and community. Assign one post type per day and give each post a one-line topic. 14 seconds. Done. I've got 30 days mapped out. Monday is a product photo of the seasonal lavender latte. Tuesday is behind the scenes of the roasting process. Wednesday is an educational post about the difference between light and dark roast. Every day has a purpose. There's no guessing. Now let me tweak it. The AI scheduled a promotional post on day 1. That's too aggressive for Instagram. I'll move the promo to day 7 and start with a behind-the-scenes reel instead. People engage with faces and processes before they engage with sales pitches. Quick edit. Done. The calendar is solid. Visual CUE, screen recording of ChatGPT generating the 30-day calendar in real time. Step 3. Images. For a coffee shop, you'd normally use real photos. But for posts where you need graphics, quotes, tips, promos, Canva AI handles it fast. I'm opening Canva and using Magic Design. I type Instagram post for a coffee shop promoting a lavender latte, purple and cream colors, minimal style. Canva gives me 4 design options in seconds. I pick one, swap in the shop name, adjust the price, and it's done. For the educational posts, I'll use a text-based template. Dark roast does not equal more caffeine as the headline. Canva's AI suggests font pairings and color palettes that match. I can produce an image for every post that needs a graphic in about 5 minutes. Visual CUE, screen recording of Canva Magic Design generating coffee shop Instagram graphics. Let me be straight about what AI can't do here. First, the captions are generic until you edit them. The coffee shop example worked because I gave the AI a clear persona and audience. If you just say write social media posts for my business, you'll get bland content. Specificity in your prompts is everything. Second, AI-generated images are fine for graphics and text posts. But they can't replace real photos of your actual products, your actual team, your actual space. The best performing posts on Instagram are still real, unpolished, behind-the-scenes content. Use AI images for maybe 30% of your posts. Shoot real photos for the rest. Third, engagement. AI can write captions that ask questions. But it can't reply to comments. It can't DM people who engage. The algorithm rewards conversations, not broadcasts. So schedule your AI content, but spend 15 minutes a day actually talking to people in the comments. That human interaction is what the algorithm wants. Let's recap the workflow. ChatGPT for the content calendar and captions, 2 minutes for the calendar, 3 minutes for captions. Canva AI for graphics, 5 minutes. Buffer for scheduling, 5 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Total cost, $0 if you stay on free plans. Compare that to hiring a social media manager. That's $1,000 to $2,000 a month. Or doing it yourself the old way. 6 to 8 hours per month minimum. Is the AI content perfect? No. You should spend another 20 to 30 minutes editing the captions to add your personality. But the blank page problem is solved. You're never starting from zero again. Try this workflow with your own business this week. 1 month of content. 15 minutes. You'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Subscribe for more AI breakdowns that actually save you time. No fluff. Just workflows that work. See you next time.